In this video, we will demonstrate setting your Q-Active system to join Wi-Fi using the AirPlay speaker method. You will need one Q-Active hub and power supply with the correct adapter fitted. We supply one adapter for the UK, one for the EU, and one for Australia, New Zealand and other parts of the world. A pair of Q-Active speakers with power cables. This tutorial applies to both the stand mount speakers shown here and the tower speakers. The Q-Active remote control with batteries fitted, an internet connected Wi-Fi router, and an iPhone or an iPad connected to the Wi-Fi. Firstly, ensure that you have set one speaker as right and one as left as you see them in the listening position by selecting the switch on the back of each speaker. Plug in the power to your Q-Active speakers and you will see the standby and hub LEDs start to flash. This shows that they are searching for a hub to pair with. Now plug the power supply into the hub. You will see the standby, remote and speaker LEDs start to flash. This shows that the hub is searching for some speakers in pairing mode. After a short while, the hub will pair and then connect to the speakers and the LEDs will turn on. Ensure that you have placed batteries into the remote control. Whilst the remote LED is still flashing, press and hold the remote control link button. You will see the remote LED turn on, showing that the remote control is now paired and connected to the hub. After a short time, you will see the Wi-Fi and Ethernet LEDs start to flash. The hub is now ready to be set up using your iPhone or iPad. Select Settings and then Wi-Fi. You should see Q-Active listed under Setup New AirPlay Speaker. Select this. You should then be able to select the Wi-Fi you wish the speaker to join, and you can also name the speaker here as well. Once the speaker has joined the Wi-Fi, you can start using the system using AirPlay. You can also add the Q-Active speaker to your Apple Home app if you have it. Simply add or select a room, then press the plus button to add an accessory manually. Here, any AirPlay speakers are listed. In this case, the lounge speaker can then be selected and added to the lounge room. You can open up any music or radio playing app on your iPhone or iPad. In this case, we will select Tune in Radio. Press the AirPlay icon and a list of AirPlay speakers will appear. Select your Q-Active speaker. You will hear the sound play through the speakers and you can adjust the volume here, or often using the buttons on the side of the device, as well as the remote control or the buttons on the Q-Active speakers. You can now enjoy endless hours of streaming music to your Q-Active system. For more information, please visit the knowledge base.